everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am in Raichok. So we have already booked a bungalow here. So I'm going to show you how the bungalow looks like, and the place is really very beautiful. It's so refreshing. The air is so refreshing. So we are really loving and enjoying this place. So I'm going to show you the bungalow, how the bungalow looks like. So I'm just turning my camera. So this is our bungalow. It's a duplex one. And now I'm going to give you a room tour.
দেখা সবাইকে দেখা ভিতরে যা ওইদিকে এদিকে যা এদিকে
नहीं but
দে আমার
so this is a dining area, and that is a seating area we have. And this is a swimming pool. With this bungalow, we have got this kitchenette also. With this, we have a refrigerator. The refrigerator is a medium-sized refrigerator, and all these things which we have kept. That is not a complimentary. That is our own thing. But we have got a toast maker and a microwave, and they have given this water, filter water, and some kitchenettes they have given some utensils, and there is a gas oven where I'm cooking food for my daughter. So this is really a very huge kitchenette, and I'm really loving the area they have, and these are the facilities they have given. So going in the upper side. Going in the upper floor. So in the upper floor there is also a sitting area, and this is one bedroom. I can see. Okay, the bedroom is also very nice. They have a side table, and this is a window where you can sit. So this is a sitting area where you can sit, and you can see the view of swimming pool. So यहाँ से भी आप स्विमिंग पूल का पूरा व्यू देख सकते हो. एंड यहाँ पे ये एक बैल्कनी है जहाँ पे इट्स ए मिनी बैल्कनी वेयर यू कैन सीट. So this is a mini balcony where you can sit, and you can see the view of a swimming pool, and you can have your coffee or chai. This is another bedroom. With this there is a sitting area. We have an attached bathroom here. Okay, so this is a bathroom. Bathroom is also very nice. This is me. It's very neat and clean. So this is a private bungalow we have. So really the rooms are very clean and big, and also we have a private swimming pool, and this is a seating area where you can have your chai in the morning. And there is another room, and both the room they have attached bathroom. So that is also very cool thing. So I'm going to capture all the moments and I'm going to show you in my vlogs. So stay tuned and I'm going to fresh up and I'm going to do my breakfast. So अभी तक हम लोग breakfast नहीं किया है. So we will just do our breakfast and then we will do a little bit fresh up. And उसके बाद maybe we will go in the swimming pool. So just wait and I'm coming, I'm freshing and I'll be back. And now we are all going for to have our lunch. So we are going in a restaurant to have a lunch in Fort Raichok in Reflection. So let's see what we can have there. প্লেইং এরিয়া আছে, বাচ্চাদের খেলার জায়গা আছে। হ্যাঁ
তাকাও মা
মর্নিং এভরিওয়ান। আজ আমরা এখানে রায়চকের মর্নিংয়ে নেক্সট ডে মর্নিংয়ে এসেছি, দেখছি যে কীরকম লাগে আশেপাশে। তো রিয়েলি ইট ইজ লুকিং ভেরি গুড। সো লেটস সি কি মর্নিংটা হাউ দ্য মর্নিং গোজ। সো দ্য মর্নিং ইজ লুকিং সো বিউটিফুল ইন রায়চক। রাইট নাও ইট ইজ 6:30 AM. So now I will turn on the back camera and I am going to see you how it looks. Hello everyone. So as you have seen, I have already went for a morning walk. So in Raichok, so what I have done कि आज सुबह ना 6:30 को मैं उठ गई थी and then I went for a morning walk and the view is so beautiful. I have seen the Ganga and we have sit there. वहाँ पे एक मतलब जगह था जहाँ पे you can sit and you can watch the Ganga. So that I have already shown you that video, that part. So I have already shown you that part and that is really looking so beautiful. So now we are in our resort once again and here checkout time is at 11. So I have already done my breakfast. Breakfast में हम लोग ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं खाया, only some puri and some आलू का सब्जी and then I have already taken my bath. Here there is a private swimming pool and we have really enjoyed in this swimming pool. तो ये प्राइवेट था तो इसीलिए हम लोग बहुत enjoy किए स्विमिंग पूल में. So with this bungalow they have this private pool. So as you have already seen कि ये and you can see I haven't done anything makeup. So by 11 we need to check out. So breakfast done and already मैं नहा लिया and now we will be going ready. So and I'm going to give you this view once again. So this is where I'm sitting right now. So this is a place where I'm sitting and I'm just talking right now. This is a pool view you can see. So really looking very nice and beautiful. And now from here once we will check out, then we will go to a place, it's a temple, it's a mini Akshardham in Kolkata. So we have a plan to go there and spend some time. I hear that is a very beautiful temple in Kolkata, so I'm very excited to go there. So I don't know whether they will allow me to vlog or not. I will see you in the temple. I will get ready and I will show you how it looks. And जाते जाते मैं ब्लॉग करूँगी, आपको दिखाऊँगी वो टेम्पल and then finally I will end this vlog. Hi, so as I have already said you कि in return I will go to a Pailan Mandir. So it's really very beautiful mandir in Kolkata. So if you are in Kolkata or you are coming in Kolkata, plan for this mandir. It's a very beautiful, very each and every architect is so beautiful. So I'm really loving this place. So definitely I hope you will also love this place. So hope you have enjoyed this vlog, this vlog. So if you do, then please hit the like button and also share with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for because I'll be making more interesting videos like this. So if you want to see more interesting videos like these, travel vlogs and beauty and lifestyle vlogs, then please hit the like button and also share with your friends and also subscribe to my channel.